Okay, here's wide angle mode. Fresh water for the ducks and chickens. And we should get some fresh water to the horses too. They don't make that good of a mess. This is a short hose. So you gotta go through the door. Come on, goats. Let's see if Ayla even cleaned their stalls today. We're gonna check. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let's see if there's any eggs. Holy moly, look at that, 2 eggs. What is that, $2 these days? I heard the egg prices went up. I mean, I was at Sam's the other day. They didn't have the nice brown looking eggs that I wanted, but they did have 3 dozen eggs for like $8, which, you know, I think is not that bad of a deal. And you can get the same for a dozen in Publix nowadays, if you're lucky. So, let's see, is it clean? Yeah, somebody made an effort. This morning was full of shit everywhere. Oh, goat shits too. Let's close this up. We don't want those guys going in here and making a mess. Oops. Here comes the wife. Family's off limits for now in my YouTube video, so I wish you a good night. Take care. Enjoy the sunset. Final turn around the place. It's kind of reminded of that one time. Remember that Fox News host, O'Reilly? We were showing some bloopers of him about, and take it away with Sting, and he didn't understand what the heck they were saying. He's like saying, fuck it, we'll do it live. He's ending his show saying, and we'll take it from here and pass you on to Sting. Finally got it. Fuck it, we'll do it live. All right, good night, chaps.